Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
This video is about complex numbers, part 1. Two answers. This video is about complex numbers. What's a complex number? Well, a complex number is something that has a real part and an imaginary part. We normally put the real part in front and the imaginary part in the back. So imaginary numbers. We use the letter I like a variable to represent imaginary numbers. I is equal to the square root of -1. This is how I is defined. So if we take I squared, we're taking the square root of -1 and squaring it, and that means the square I squared is equal to -1. That's another definition that's pretty common to know. I squared is equal to -1. So what do we do with these imaginary numbers? Well, one thing that we do is we simplify. So if we have the square root of -18, in the past we've said that we can't simplify it because you can't have a negative under the square root. But now we can pull out the -1 and multiply it by the 18. That square root of -1 we just defined as I. The square root of 18 can be simplified, and this is the square root of 9 times 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 2 stays the square root of 2. So when we simplify, this gives me 3i square root of 2. Let's look at another one. Square root of -7. That would be the square root of 1 times 7. The square root of -1 is equal to I. The square root of 7 can't be simplified, so that leaves us with I square root of 7. And one more. If we have the square root of -125, we can pull out the -1. What's that equal to? Oh yeah, I. And we're multiplying that by 125, which is 5 times 25. The square root of 25 is 5 times the square root of 5. So that gives us 5i square root of 5. Now, imaginary numbers can be added, they can be subtracted, they can be multiplied and divided. I'm going to do that in a second video for you.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.